Welcome to Gaming Fiend, your channel for everything related to the gaming industry and the financial markets, especially the stock market. Here I talk about the stocks of gaming companies mostly. Alright guys, so today is the announcement that I was already waiting for since a very long time on my channel. So today The Witcher 4 has more or less been announced. So I'm checking out here the pcgamer.com page where we have a nice article about a new Witcher game is in development. So it's not coming directly, it's not coming now. Maybe it comes in 3 years, 4 years, 5 years, I don't know, but there's enough time to build up the momentum. So what do we get for information? We get the information that they're working together with Epic. Epic has the Unreal Engine 5. You know, Epic Games is Tencent is a huge investor in Epic Games. You cannot buy stocks of Epic Games, but Epic Games is also giving on their channel. Sometimes they make it exclusive and give developers that use the Unreal Engine 5 and are exclusive on the Epic Game Store some good reductions in fees. And therefore someone was asking also on Twitter, how is it going? Is this going to be an Epic Game Store exclusive at launch? And then The Witcher, the team is then answering, we are not planning on making the game exclusive to one storefront. So if they would make it exclusive, then I would say now maybe sell your CD Projekt stocks, because this game has to come really not exclusive. So that's very important. This game has to be out on I don't care, on the GOG launcher. Needs to be out on Steam, especially. This game needs to be out on Steam. So because only when it's on Steam then you can achieve higher numbers of selling the game. So therefore I would say let's see for example the CD Projekt stock chart. So disclaimer, I'm invested in CD Projekt, but I'm not a financial advisor. I'm just a retail YouTuber that is talking here about stocks that he likes. So we are more or less now in this situation. So the recent month or the recent two months and especially the last 4 weeks were not very fun in the stock market, especially if you're invested in high tech or in growth on the US markets. So but CD Projekt is a Polish company, so this actually hold up very good. I was always saying we are more or less oscillating between the 215 zlotys and the 160 zlotys. So, and this happened. So we were a little bit dropping through the 156 zlotys. The Fibonacci retracement here that you see is a little bit different in green to the Fibonacci retracement above this. So you can see already, of course, the CD Projekt Red stock is still in a Fibonacci retracement level that's extremely high. But if we keep up here, and since it's a growth stock, and since we have a Witcher 4 announcement, so I could imagine that we come back actually to this blue line here, to this long-term blue line that started in 2016, and then we going back on the growth path. But of course, if you've invested here at 300-400 Polish zlotys, then of course you got hammered, you lost a lot of money. So I hope if you were investing, I always say if you buy the stock here at, for example, 450 zlotys, then you should also buy the slot if it's for only 150 zlotys. I mean, this makes no sense to buy stocks when they are expensive. A lot of new investors mostly buy stocks when they're expensive, but when stocks are cheap, they're not buying the stock. So this doesn't make any sense. So this is a weird way of investing, I can only tell you this. So for now everything looks okay-ish, and if I could imagine, guys, I really could imagine that due to the news, to the announcement of the new Witcher game, that we will see tomorrow a little bit set apart a nice little pump in this stock. So I could really imagine. So financial advisors or stock market investors didn't get this information yet. So mostly this information is now with the gaming community, but investors didn't get the information yet. and then I can imagine that we are tomorrow back above the blue line, so we go to the 180s. Is it going to happen? I don't know. So if you're now considering, for example, buying call options in the pre-market or in the aftermarket, so don't do this. This would be a very yeah, not really the smartest move to make, because it can also, a news like this of a new Witcher game and being Epic Game Store coming with the Unreal 5 engine, having the Damocles sword of the Epic Game Store exclusivity, even if they say it's not going to happen, having this over its head could also mean in the end that this will be negative. And if this now if the Witcher 4 is having a negative momentum, we can definitely fall to the 100 zloty. So because this is the news, you can see since April 21, the gaming world and the gaming investors world was waiting for a new The Witcher. So this is the Witcher. This is waiting for the Witcher. This is how waiting for the Witcher looks like. So if now there's any issue now with The Witcher 4, then we definitely could see something else. So I can promise you this. I'm not promising you, but you know what I mean. Of course, I'm not promising you this, but you can bet on it. Alright guys, so I hope you enjoyed this video. So if you did so, comment, like and subscribe, of course, helps me a lot. So I'm trying to upload regularly videos also on my gaming, on my financial channel. So it's a small channel, it's small, it's also slowly growing, so it's much more channel I do for myself, since I like talking about gaming stocks and about the stock market in general. So but I would love it if you could just join me on my little path here. So, and even if I haven't uploaded a video since 1 month, as I see now, means nothing. I'm constantly looking for new topics, and I was also uploading, of course, a lot on my gaming channel. So thank you very much guys, see you the next time, and I can tell you, if we see a new bull run now in the next weeks, I'm going also to upload some more videos. Bye bye.